Hello guys and karibuni sana to my channel. My name is Josephine and I am here to bring you another epic and exciting video. So guys, today I'll be showing you a farming part of me, or a farming part of what I've been doing. So a year and a half ago I discovered something called gooseberries. This is something that we already know, but it is commonly known as Nathi. So I visited a farm within Kiambu County, and I guess I was so much interested to an extent that I made that highlight on my Instagram page. So, and I just made a point, or I made a decision of trying it out. So guess what? We did try it out, and of course we got some seedlings, and we tried doing the farming. So guys, if you haven't yet known what are gooseberries, I have a sample of gooseberries, and here they are. I don't know if you have ever seen things like this. So these are called Nathi in Kikuyu language. So in our times, these are some sort of fruits that were commonly found along the ways, along the roads, and we would just make jokes of it. But did you know, like, this is a serious farming, it is a smart farming that is happening in today's world, guys. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a small farm from my mom's place where I tried doing that, guys, and I want to show you guys how it is doing. However, I tried doing it in a small farming, but I guess with time I might think of doing a smart farming with the gooseberries. Have you heard of gooseberries? Here they are. So guys, did you also know that you can make jam from these Cape gooseberries? Guys, it's possible, and people are already making Cape gooseberries jam. However, I'm not even sure if it is already in the supermarkets, but you can check it out. So come on guys, I'm gonna be showing you our gooseberries farm. It's just nearby here, so come on. So guys, I am already at the farm, and I'm gonna be showing you the samples of the plants that we tried. However, it didn't come out like we expected, but it's a smart thing if we did it seriously, because we were just trying on how we could just work on it and maybe try to make it more professional. But guys, I'm showing this one right now. So guys, this is the sample of the gooseberries that we had. I remember the first time when we were trying to look for the gooseberries, with the seedlings, we have to source them from someone else, and of course we put them in a nursery bed for like 3 months. No, not really 3 months, like 2 months, and then we have to transfer the seedlings to this farm. You can see it is just a small farm, but apparently my mom decided like she gonna put some potatoes in here between. But anyway, I just cannot say anything. This is her farm, huh? So if you can see, like, they have really, you can see they are the good seedlings. Like, there are a lot of products in here. Here they are. And actually, I don't know if we have some ripe gooseberries here, because we just harvested them like just yesterday. But guys, I'm gonna try and find some ripe berries just in here, and I just hope that I will find some. So guys, you can see, like, this one, it is ripe. You can see the color of it, really ripe. And of course, we have varieties. We don't have varieties of this. We only have that one type that we tried, and I can see, like, they really did well. We had another equivalent farm at the other side, so, but unfortunately we are not selling them, because we were doing this plantation just for trying and for us just to keep healthy. Yeah, I think gooseberries are usually rich in vitamin C, and of course during times like this, when we are experiencing COVID-19 and corona thing, it is advisable that we take fruits that are rich in vitamin C. So guys, this is it, and I just hope that maybe someday very soon I'll come and show you I'll show you some of, if in future I'll come to do it in a continuous way or a serious farming, guys, I'll definitely come back to update you. So this is it, guys. Of course, we have an equivalent farm somewhere just behind our home, like this one, and it's a very good place, a very nice business to do. So if you're in for it, guys, you can always talk to me, and maybe I can give you a hint or something you need to know, some information you need to know about this. And guys, I promise you, like, you won't regret. So guys, that's all I had for you today. As you can see, it's something that is really happening. You guys, you can just go ahead and Google all about gooseberries, and maybe in some time in the future you may venture in it, doing it full time as a smart farming. And I can promise you guys, it's a smart thing. Like, no one hates to be healthy. Like, waking up in the morning, eating some fresh fruits, I think that's everyone's wish, guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. I'm very much grateful for watching until the end. I hope that you enjoyed this type of content. Of course, I promised you last time to be versatile. So today, I brought you something to do with gooseberries. So if you haven't yet subbed to my channel, kindly make sure that you do. And of course, you can always make sure that you give my videos thumbs up. And of course, I will appreciate. My name is Josephine, and until next time, ciao.
Just find it and take it, don't ever regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like